How to check downloaded files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. In the Files app, you can locate and view your files, organize and rearrange them in folders, compress, rename, and share them with friends. Once you're inside the app, by default it will be on the Recents tab, showing your latest items. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Browse tab. This is where you can explore all file locations. To check for files saved directly on your device, tap on the folder where your files that are downloaded from Safari and other apps are located and stored. This opens the folder, revealing a list of all the files that you have downloaded to the device. Following these steps, you can easily check all your downloaded files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.